What else? What?
Hello everyone, welcome back to Ghanaian Street Food Review. I hope you're having an amazing day. This is not going to be a usual food review, but in this video, we are going to learn how the earthenware bowl is made in Ghana. So the earthenware bowl is basically made of clay, and the potter is the one who is going to take us through the process. So you can see that she wants to have a very round shape for the bowl. So she tries to spin and spin around just to get the perfect shape. So she uses a cloth and then water to do this whole thing. So once she's done, she positions them on the floor and they are all placed on slabs. So the end product is not supposed to come close to one another. They are separated and dried. Wow guys, take a look at this. This is so beautiful. So this is where it gets very interesting when you pay attention to the sound of this whole process. Here she is using a very sharp stone to maximize, to design the whole earthenware. So guys, listen to the sound. Wow. Wow. This is a nice. She actually uses it and then a hand to make this whole thing. So here she's trying to smoothing the edges, give the designs a very nice texture. Okay, so you're not get a perfect earthenware without going to this process. So once they are allowed to dry a while, they are now arranged on the kiln. So the kiln is actually a metal kind of furnace that all the earthenware bowls are arranged. I baked in the kiln. Kindly like, comment, subscribe if you are new to this channel. Yes, we always bring amazing videos. Here guys, you can see the woman trying to use because it kind of looks hot to arrange it with on the kiln. Far apart, you can see that some of the areas are already big and they have the original color. You can see it over here. It looks black. So that's the end product for you. So it could take a whole day to achieve the color you want and to know that it's actually baked to your satisfaction. We couldn't wait any longer guys, so we decided to present to you some end products of the earthenware bowls so you can see them as they are displayed on your screen. So kindly like, comment and subscribe to this channel.